New information in the murder of Rebekah Baptiste. We're learning the state had an open case involving allegations of abuse, but the 10-year-old's family moved to rural Apache County. Now her own father and his girlfriend arrested in connection with her death. Our team of investigators getting new information on DCS's response and why they say more action wasn't taken sooner. For the first time, the State Department of Child Safety detailing what they knew and when prior to the murder of 10-year-old Rebekah Baptiste.
So there has been DCS cases before?
Yeah, I just got them back from the state.
Rebekah's dad, Richard Baptiste, and his girlfriend, Anicia Woods, can be seen on body camera video just weeks ago telling police about their interactions with DCS. The department's involvement started years ago, the ABC15 investigators reviewing the timeline. Rebekah and her siblings were removed from their parents in 2019 because of allegations that the mother exposed a child to drugs during pregnancy. 3 years later, in 2022, the courts granted Richard Baptiste physical custody. In November of 2023, DCS receiving a report alleging physical abuse by Woods. This would be the first of 7 reports alleging abuse or neglect in the home, ranging from scratches, bumps on a child's head, marks on Rebekah's hands and feet, and even forms of discipline that concerned neighbors shared with ABC15.
Every single neighbor was concerned why the hell they made them run laps for hours without water.
So and they saw that too.
They used it as a form of discipline.
The final report in May 2025 alleged physical abuse of Rebekah and her siblings by Woods, DCS saying the department made efforts to visit the family's home and school. But the Baptistes had moved here to this yurt in a remote area of Apache County. A summary fatality report says DCS was still trying to locate the family when police found Rebekah severely injured at the end of July. For the past 2 years, DCS says they did not find evidence to support reported allegations. But at times, there were open cases as new reports were coming in.
We had quite a few staff members share their concerns and fear that Rebekah specifically would not come back to the school or return to the school alive.
Rebekah's school says they called DCS a dozen times. Some of those dates align with the timeline in this report. For weeks, the ABC15 investigators have been asking why more wasn't done sooner. For the first time, DCS is now saying under the law they didn't have enough evidence to take the kids. DCS also says Phoenix police responded to at least 5 incidents involving the family, but officers never made an arrest for child abuse or neglect. On the heels of 3 high-profile murders, lawmakers announcing a new task force to strengthen the state's child abuse reporting laws. We're told their work will start immediately. Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.